Hey everyone, and in today's video, let's take a look at a super long selfie stick from Telesin. Which is 3 meters long if you fully extend it. And now that's something! A 3-meter selfie stick may sound a little bit weird, so what can you do with it? So it can be used to get the third-person view perspective, that unique high angle, but if you use it with a 360 degrees camera, such as for example GoPro Max, it can be used to get that drone-like shot. So here it is, guys, this is a second version of the 3-meter selfie stick from Telesin. This one is made out of carbon fiber. It's more durable and has less bending than its first version. So what do we have inside of this package? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so this is exactly what we have inside of this package, and we have a 3-meter selfie stick, a GoPro adapter, thumb screw, and a storage bag. So Telesin Selfie Stick has 6 different length configurations, and getting to all of them is not as simple as extending one section after another. Sometimes you have to hide one section and extend another to get a different configuration. So do you wonder how it looks like when it's fully extended in wide or super view? So let's take a look. So this is how it looks like in wide field of view. Let me just grab the end of it, the handle, and now take a look how it looks like. So it's really amazing perspective. You can get amazing shots with it, no matter what you do, just up to you. Anyway, it's almost like a drone shot, except that you have the selfie stick in the middle. Alright, and this is how it looks like in super view. So just take a look at that, guys. Let me just grab the handle of it really fast. Right? So yeah, this is how it looks like in super view. Just take a look at this super unique angle you can get while in super view. It's so far away, it's literally like a drone shot. Yeah, it looks impressive, really. Okay, so let's take a look at the selfie stick itself. Now, if you take a closer look at the top of it, you can notice that we have a standard 1/4" camera connection. So you can connect it to a smaller camera, like for example Insta360. Maybe you can connect it to your phone with a phone adapter, but you can also attach a gimbal to it and use the selfie stick like a crane. Obviously, you can connect GoPro adapter to use it with a regular standard GoPro, but for 360 cameras, such as for example GoPro Max, I recommend a different solution. Take a look at this, for example. This GoPro adapter gonna keep that camera perfectly in the middle of the selfie stick, and thus, if you use it with a 360 degrees camera, such as for example GoPro Max, it's gonna help you get that invisible selfie stick. So this is how it's gonna look like when you mount a traditional GoPro on top of it. Notice that currently I'm using an adapter that came already inside of the package, and as a result it's simply much easier to position it at yourself, but you're gonna constantly see that selfie stick in your shot whenever you're gonna take a photo or record a video with it. And this is how it looks like with a 360 degrees camera, in this case GoPro Max. Notice that I purposely changed a GoPro adapter, so this way the selfie stick is completely hidden underneath of the camera. And that, as a result, makes the selfie stick invisible. Once again, this has nothing to do with the selfie stick itself, it's because the 360 degrees camera uses its software to simply mask out the selfie stick out of the frame. Now, at the very bottom, we have a 1/4-inch standard screw hole, so you can connect it to a tripod and use this selfie stick as a monopod, though it's not going to be a super stable solution for time-lapse. Also at the very bottom, we have a small adjustable lanyard, so you can easily wrap it around your wrist, and this way, if you were to accidentally drop the selfie stick out of your hand, it's simply gonna give you that extra peace of mind and protect you from losing your gear. In order to open the selfie stick, you have to twist and pull it, and it's much easier if you use the GoPro adapter that this selfie stick came with. So once again, you have to twist and pull it until you meet the first ring. And after that, you have these two sections. So let's twist and pull it again, and we have another ring. So that's gonna be our third one. And inside of it, take a closer look, that we have a second ring. So let's extend it. And notice that after the second ring, we have 3 new sections, until we meet the third ring that I just talked about. So after that, we have 3 sections once again. If we include the handle, that's gonna be like 9 sections in total. And if you want to collapse it, then you have to twist it to the other side. So we twist it to the left side. And we quickly can collapse it back in place, just like that. So yeah, this is how long it takes to extend and collapse a Telesin 3-meter selfie stick. Whenever you use the selfie stick in salt water, it's very important to clean it after each use. Otherwise, excessive salt, sand or other debris can damage it. So if you want to clean it, twist off the bottom section, rinse it with fresh water and extend it to let it dry. You can also use a cleaning cloth to dry it faster. Now, if you take a closer look at the whole surface of the handle, take a look that it's so smooth. I just wish and would love to see something like anti-slippery material, because whenever your hands are sweating, it simply will be a great feature to have. Telesin Selfie Stick is surprisingly lightweight, as it weighs only around 260 grams. But nevertheless, it's a strong selfie stick, and even if you extend it to its maximum length and attach a camera to it, it may wobble a little bit or maybe shake, but I assure you, this thing is not gonna break. It also looks quite funny and awkward when you take a photo or record a video and want to check what you got after the shot. Alright guys, so this is what Telesin Selfie Stick has to offer, and you can choose between 2 different versions, because you can take a longer one, which is 3 meters, and a shorter one, it's like 2 meters and 70 centimeters. The 3 meter is around $44, whereas the other one is around $40. So it's up to you which one you like more. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you liked this and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss some of my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!